Hello everyone, here I am Adarsh Pandey, going to discuss about some myth that people usually believe as a truth. So let's get started. Misconception number 1. The Great Wall of China is the only man-made structure visible from space. बहुत से लोगों को यह बताया जाता है कि चीन की महान दीवार ही एक इकलौती ऐसी चीज है जिसे हम अंतरिक्ष से देख सकते हैं, पर ऐसा बिल्कुल ही नहीं है। इसे हम केवल 180 मील की ऊंचाई से ही देख सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ ह्यूमन नेक्ड आई। और इस ऊंचाई पर नासा की इमेजेस ने प्रूफ भी किया है कि बड़े बड़े हाईवेज, सिटीज, डैम्स भी आसानी से दिख जाते हैं। एंड इफ वी गो फर्दर हाई इन स्पेस, द बॉल कैन बी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड इन radar images only. So it is a completely misconception that the Great Wall of China is the only visual object from space. Misconception number 2. Hair and nails can grow after death. In order to grow hairs and nails, it is really needed for a person that he is still eating, digesting nutrients and other cellular processes. Of course, it is not possible after death. So there is no way in the body to produce keratin, which is essential for the growth of our hair and nails. Hence, it is a completely myth or misconception. Misconception number 3. The tongue map or taste map. यह एक सबसे बड़ा मिसकंसेप्शन है जो हमें स्कूल में भी पढ़ाया जाता है कि डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ टंग इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर डिफरेंट टेस्ट, बट इट इज रियली नॉट ट्रू. Hence, it is a myth which is even taught in school. Myth number 4. Lightning never strike twice same place. बिजली कभी एक ही जगह पे दोबारा नहीं गिर सकती. It is not only wrong but it is dangerously wrong that lightning can never strike a same place twice. As lightning is electric discharge, it is in no way interested whether it has struck the particular place even before or not. It simply hits the taller objects or things. Many cases has been reported of lightning striking in the same place, even in very close vicinity. Hence, it is a misconception only. Misconception number 5. Planets revolve around the sun in a circular orbit. Planets actually revolve in elliptical orbits around the sun, with the sun in the focus of ellipse, as per Kepler's law of planetary motion. This myth same as many people think that we feel summer if sun is closer to earth and we feel winter if sun is far away from earth. But the reality is that the distance of earth and sun has no much effect on season. It is just all about tilt of our earth axis. So these were some misconceptions on which people had strong belief. Hope you like the video. I'll meet you in the next part. Till then, goodbye.